ElevenLabs voice changer tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can use ElevenLabs, and this is an example. Let me show you my voice here. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, click the like button and share it with your friends. And now ElevenLabs voice changer, change it to this.
If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, click the like button and share it with your friends.
As you can hear, it changes my voice into different people's voice, and you can use many other variations, whether it's a female AI voice or a male AI voice. So first thing first, what you need to do is you can sign up with ElevenLabs. I will put a link down below, guys, if you want to support this channel. After you clicking on the link down below, you can sign up for free, and then you'll be brought to this page. You can sign up with a Google account or email address, and then you can go down under playground. You will see voice changer. Okay, I'm gonna click this. Let me reload the page first so that you guys can see the process. Okay, after you click on the voice changer, you can either drag, upload or drop your pre-existing audio into here, or you can record the audio from this page alone. Okay, so since that I don't have my pre-recorded audio, I'm gonna use this microphone and I'm gonna record my own voice. Okay, let me show you an example. So choose your microphone. So this is my microphone. I'm gonna just click on start and then I will start talking.
If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, click the like button and share it with your friends.
Okay, there is an error there. Let me repeat this. Okay guys, if you want to make money online, you can start by producing content, upload it to YouTube, and then you can monetize that video and start making money online. Okay, so this is my audio. Let's hear it again. To make money online, you can start by producing content, upload it to YouTube, and then you can monetize that video and start making money online. Okay, as you can hear, there is a buffer, so I shouldn't talk too fast in the beginning. I should wait like 2 seconds before I start talking because there is a buffer there. But anyway, just to show an example, what you want to do, if you want to change it into different AI voice, you can go to the right side here, and this is the voice where you want to change it, whether you can use Andrew, there's Rachel, and there's other voice actor that you can use. Let's hear it out for Andrew.
I believe that we are fundamentally the same and have the same basic potential.
Let's hear it out for Rachel.
You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
Okay, Rachel is good, and there is other top picks AI voice actor right here. Let's hear it out.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me when I was just 6 years old. Son, always speak the truth. People will never forget what you say.
Man, this one is great. Grandpa spouts. And let's hear about Mark.
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together, talk plainly. Let's give it a shot.
Let's try Cassidy.
I just love talking about movies, TV shows, really anything that's in the arts. So use my voice for those kind of projects.
So you can choose any AI voice actor that you want. So for this example, we're gonna use Rachel. We have used Drew. So let me try Rachel here. I'm gonna click on Rachel. So this is the one that I'm using. And for the models, you can choose the first one, guys. This is the most latest and up-to-date technology. So I'm gonna choose this one. And then stability, you can change it, just leave it as this if you want. The more you swift it to the left, it's more unstable and it's more emotional. If you switch it to the right side, it's gonna be more stable and more monotone. So it's really up to you how you want to arrange it, but me, I will just leave it as this. and the similarity as well. You can just keep it 75% is okay. If you want it to as closely as your own voice, you want to change it to high, maybe 85% or something like that. And there's a style of exaggeration also if you want to, but I'm gonna leave the setting as this, and then just click on generate speech right here, and you will see at the bottom this is where it will use your credits. Okay,
To make money online, you can start by producing content, upload it to YouTube, and then you can monetize that video and start making money online.
okay, let's hear it out, the original versus the ElevenLabs voice changer. Okay, let's play it again. To make money online, you can start by producing content, upload it to YouTube, and then you can monetize that video and start making money online.
To make money online, you can start by producing content, upload it to YouTube, and then you can monetize that video and start making money online.
Alright, so that sounds pretty close, to be honest, and this is great. So if you are shy, you don't want people to know your voice, you can use this AI voice, guys. Again, you can click the link down below to sign up for free. If you like other voices, you can upgrade. It's very affordable. It's very cheap, guys. It's like $5 per month. You can keep using this tool, or you can upgrade for more credits if you want to use this for making a lot more content. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video. If you have any question, leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on the next videos.